Wood surfaces require a different approach than masonry or concrete. Proper cleaning and restoration depend on understanding the material, not forcing results. Wood cleaning and wood restoration are two related but very different services. Cleaning focuses on removing environmental buildup on wood or composite materials, while restoration addresses deeper deterioration and previous surface coatings. We clean and restore a wide range of exterior wood surfaces, including decks, fences, steps, railings, pergolas, arbors, trellises, and outdoor wood furniture. Every service begins with a property protection plan and careful preparation. Wood is hydrated prior to cleaning to prevent overabsorption and reduce stress on the material. Wood cleaning is a three-step process. The surface is hydrated, a professional detergent is applied and allowed to dwell, and then the wood is thoroughly rinsed. This process removes dirt, environmental contaminants, and biological growth while respecting the integrity of the wood. Wood restoration goes further. It's a 5-step process designed for surfaces that have existing stains, paints, or deeper weathering. The wood is hydrated, cleaned, thoroughly rinsed, then treated with a neutralizer. This opens the wood's pores, preparing it to accept stain or paint evenly, followed by a final rinse. While cleaning addresses surface buildup, restoration can strip failing paints or stains when conditions require it, creating a proper foundation for refinishing and long-term performance. The goal is always the same: cleaner, healthier wood treated with methods appropriate to its condition, age, and intended use. Our wood cleaning and restoration process is designed to treat each surface material and condition correctly. Contact Elegant Estates today to learn more.